Take it.
Take it.
Take it. Take it out.
Lesson 1.6. Insert and link data from other sources. In this example, we're going to link data from a Google Sheet. Here I have my example of collected data. I want to copy this graphic into my Google Slides and link the data to be able to update it as I get more results. Select the graphic, Ctrl+C to copy, or you can select Edit Copy. Return to the Google Slides and then select Ctrl+V. You want to link to the spreadsheet or paste on link. It is highly recommended that you paste and link to the spreadsheet. I'm going to rescale this to make it fit in my presentation. If additional data is collected, you can always select Update to make that change. As you can see, I did not have to copy and paste it again, but all I did was update the data. If the data needs to be updated once again because more responses have been collected, simply select Update. And that's how you keep your Google Slides up to date.